Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. Today, I'm here to talk about the Toro Power Broom. Start with the 36-inch width. And if you notice, the handle system may look very similar to their Power Max snowblower. It's been around for a long time. Very, great design, works very well. Gives you 6 speeds forward, 2 reverse, and they can be shift on the go, so you don't have to stop to go up or down or on your speeds. And the handles, like the snowblowers, you got one handle to engage the drive for the wheels, and the other one engages the brushes. So pop off and everything will stop. These also have the turning clutches, so it makes it very maneuverable and easy to operate. So with both levers down, not squeezed up, it'll drive forward to go to turn right, you squeeze on the right clutch, disengages this wheels, and left wheel drives around, and vice versa on the other side. So it's very, very maneuverable, easy to operate machine. Also, to angle the broom, you can angle this 20 degrees either direction. So right now it's at the fixed, it's got a push button thumb, and then you just kind of push it over and it'll lock in either right or left of your desire. So if you want to push the debris one way or the other, it's very easy to switch back and forth. And with brooms, a lot of different applications, from dethatching lawns, cleaning, yard cleanup, to light snow removal. So the advantage with the snow is it cleans right down to the pavement, so it's, you don't have to use as much salt. But a broom has its limitations. It's not going to handle a foot of snow with this type of broom. But for your light snow removal, it does a great job. But it is really a year-round machine. You can easily even use it for kind of cleaning up leaves, raking, sweeping up into a pile. So the Toro Broom, if you have a lot of different applications, it might be something to take a look at. Thanks for listening today.
Weingartz, everything.